Hello everyone, Kayla here, and this is What the Kink, a natural hair channel where I share my personal hair journey and tips, tricks, and product reviews to help you with your own. Before this moment, I never really understood the purpose of these deep conditioning routine videos, but I realized over time that I have a certain technique to how I apply my deep conditioner that causes me to use a lot less product than other people are using, and it's still doing the job and it's still effective. And I want to save you some coins, okay? And I want to save you some time with application of your deep conditioner. So that's why I decided to share my deep conditioning routine. Conditioner I am using in this video is the Sultanicals Shea Bay Ginger Deep Conditioner. It smells like Christmas cookies and firewood, so I absolutely love it. The first thing that I do in my routine is I apply conditioner from the ends up. The ends are the oldest part of your hair, and they tend to be a little bit thinner naturally, so I'm able to get a good amount of conditioner on my hair starting this way. I then start to separate my hair, and I go into the conditioner and apply from the roots down in just this little fourth of a section. I'm applying this way so that my root application meets my ends application in the middle. And of course, my hair is super thick. So if I stopped at this, yeah, there would be a decent amount of conditioner through, but I wouldn't have it fully distributed through well enough to be able to easily detangle my hair, or for all of the hair to even get conditioner on it. So that's when the next step comes into play. I turn on the water, dip my hair just a little bit, and then I smooth just a little bit more product through the smooth, watery hair. You can see how much conditioner is in there. It's more water, it's able to get through the thicker sections. And then you can kind of see the conditioner gush out just a little bit as I clip it up. Now, you're not going to see me detangle my hair in this particular video because I wanted to stay focused on the deep conditioning topic. But if you're not convinced that the conditioner is through, there's a detangling talk going up either before or after this video that will show me detangling my hair on this same day with this same conditioner and application, and you will see that the brush is just gliding through no problem. So this is my hair post being detangled. I twist my hair into jumbo twist as I brush it out because my hair is very, very thick. So these twists allow me to roll my hair into this flat roll situation and then clip it flat. I do this so that my hair can fit underneath the deep conditioning cap just a little bit better because thick hair problems, which is really not a problem. You just learn to work with your hair differently. But to prove my point about making it fit, this is a hotel shower cap. Those tend to be a little bit smaller than your regular shower caps, and it fits over my head just fine. Now, an extra layer of protection is I do tie a bandana around my edges because sometimes liquid will drip down and ain't nobody got time to be uncomfortable up under the dryer. And I typically deep condition my hair for about 20 minutes if I in fact deep condition. I do not deep condition every single time I wash my hair. If you are interested in how to get a better result out of your deep conditioning, how to deep condition more effectively, I have a video over here and I'll go ahead and link that for you. And then there also will be a recommended video over there as well. Subscribe to my channel. I post videos every week, and I'll talk to you in the next one.